So for our programming assignment 4, we do have three different steps across multiple workflows what we were assigned to be done. So let's start with step 1 and go from there. Here in the step 1, there are four substeps like 1.21, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4. What we'll be doing is this is the recording step dot 1.1, which we will be executing the four files which are needed to be written, compile them, run them in the given order, and see how it goes, and close the recording from there on. And from there on, we will move to 1.2, 1.3, and 1.4 accordingly based on which server or which client against which the current code has to be written or run against, and see the observations from where it goes from there. So in the first part for 1.1 and 1.2, we do have no fields and clients or server. I have already opened up two terminals left and right on my hostment server root node. If you can see it root at the right hostment server with node number on both the ones. So what we'll be doing is we'll take it step by step. I have already uploaded the whole coding files into the server, just so that you know. If we can do here, we do have client server and worker.java files which are given in the assignment itself. In this part, we do have worker and server for the Java code, and in the last part, we do have Java client given in here. I haven't modified those files in any way or manner. Let's just compile them and keep them so that we don't have to go back and forth again and again to make them run in each different step. Java C worker.java. Okay, let's see. We have to do it in one other way. I forgot about it. Excellent. These are only warnings. I haven't changed any of the code. Now let's run the server.java file as well. Once that is done, we will do the client.java file as well, so that we do have all the files which we have in requirement. We clear it out and do that. We do have client class, server class, and worker class files, just so that we know they are running. Let's see if they work. Java server, this works. And this time I haven't changed the port number even as well, just left it as that. Whatever the code is given 236657, and accordingly written the rest of the C files with port number 23657 where we need to run it against. And client, this also works, so we are good here. Let's clear it out and go to the step 1 first, step 1.1 to be exact. All we have to do is run this server and this client against the server in C itself and see what our observations are. Let's go into step 1 on both the sides. We want one for the server and one for the client. We have only different steps now. Let's go to C 1.1 now. Okay, we don't have any of the executable files written yet, but let's compile them and get the executable files. Server, not C. Just this is for multi-threading functionality to compile LP thread. If you don't give it, we'll throw some random errors and it won't be working as expected. Now if you see, we do have a server executable as well, and let's do the same for client. See, I'll show the code just in case you are wondering. These are the files for client C and H and server C and H. All we need to do is run the server now, listening on port 1 and run the client against it. And these are the observations. Closing the step 1.1 for now, and we'll meet in step 1.2 again.